This week's video is going to be extremely short. So, bad news for all you mediocre music lovers out there. I will not be playing the saxophone this week, or probably next week. I forgot to zip up my case the other night, and a few hours later when I went to move it, my saxophone fell out and bent a couple of the keys, and one of the pads isn't closing all the way. Lucy. She's surprisingly soft. So yeah, my saxophone is in the shop. It's going to be hopefully back sometime next week, but probably not in time for me to make a saxophone video. So I'm trying to come up with some other ideas for, yeah, some videos to do. Yeah. Stay tuned. I will be posting my saxophone videos as soon as I get back. Later.
Fetch. Good girl, Lucy. Fetch. Good girl. Oh, that's a long one. Good girl.